Hello and welcome. I was looking around on Kijiji and I found a Commodore 116, and I don't know if I've ever seen such a thing. It certainly has an interesting keyboard. Let me just click on here. The fellow is, I think, in Manitoba. Does that do sideways? No, that doesn't do sideways. No, more pictures. More pictures. I guess that is the power thing. There's the back of the machine. There's the bottom of the machine. There's the side of the machine. There is the information and the serial number. There it is. It's a 116. And, oh, look at that. It seems to work. Can I expand it? Oh, yeah. Commodore Basic 3.5. Huh, I can expand that. So maybe, if we go back here to the better picture, we can get a little better look at it. It looks kind of like a chiclet keyboard. Anyway, I did see this, and I noticed that this fellow does seem to be lightening his collection of Commodore things. For here is a Commodore 16, which basically looks like a 64 and a VIC-20, which I don't think it was supposed to, but it did. But anyway, it has a good keyboard. And what else does it? Oh, there's the bottom. Oh, Commodore 16 keyboard tutorial. Let's see. What else is this? Found harbor attack. So I guess he has some stuff that goes with it. Anyway, do check Kijiji for specifics. I do not know this fellow. I cannot vouch for him, but certainly... Oh, looky. Looks like he has the box. And a bunch of things. And a data set. And is that... Oh, looks like chess. There's a data set. Hang on. I should look at that. Ah! Ooh. It's a joystick. Anyway, and also... Oh, that... Yes, and... Also... The same fellow has a +4 that he is selling. It seems to have the box and the power supply and some things. I don't know what that little wee cable is. I don't know. Anyway, as I say, I don't know this fellow, but he seems legit. And so from what I can see, he has listed a +4, a Commodore 116, and a Commodore 16. 16? Yeah, 16. And he seems to be in Manitoba. He does. So there are the three machines. There they are. Nothing to do with the floor sweeper thingy. Anyway, I hope that might be helpful to somebody out there. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.